everyone, welcome to Juliet TV. How's your day? So today, right, if you stay in Singapore, right, all of us still experiencing the haze thingy. So I'm going to teach you today, right, how to take care of your face and how to take care of your throat. So if you're in the sales profession, or if you're in the insurance agent, or even when you talk all day, or even when you do presentation, right, or if you're a teacher, you need to use your voice to talk. So I'm going to teach you today how to take care of your throat. So I'm going to use apple cider vinegar. So everybody knows about this, right? Okay, I actually wrote some notes down. So actually apple cider vinegar is very good. It helps to aid digestion, and then it helps to absorb minerals, and then it helps to decrease bloating and gas. It also helps to alkaline your body if you drink with water. It also improves blood sugar level, improve immune system, and also aids metabolism. So when I use this one, right, I use in the day. If you're first trying this, you try it in the morning first, okay? Then after that, gradually, if you can, then afternoon and night. So if you eat a lot of greasy food, I would advise you to do this. And also right now, right, we're experiencing some haze thingy, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. So just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay, just like this, and you pour it into a water. If you want it to be slightly concentrated, you can put for about 250 ml. Yeah. So if you don't want to be concentrated, you put about 250 ml. Sorry. If you want to be concentrated, maybe slightly 200 ml. Yeah. So this is what I do every morning to clear my throat and also to help to kill the germs here, because I'm always feeling when there's haze, right, I'm always feeling germs growing in here very fast. I could feel the heat, and it means that my throat is coming. So I better drink this. So what I like about this, right, it helps to clear the phlegm as well. So you can try this every morning and tell me how you feel. So this is one tip to take care of your body, having apple cider vinegar. So next, right, I'm going to teach you how to take care of your face, because as we age, right, and also due to the haze, we will come back home with all the dust that or whatever smoke or burn that the forest is burning. Actually, right, I was just telling my friend, we do not know what kind of things are burning inside the forest anyway. It could be plastic, right? So we are breathing some chemical that we don't even know. So it's best that we keep our body alkaline all the time so that we don't get infected so easily by germs, or even by or get sick easily. So today, right, I'm going to teach you how to hydrate and detox your skin. Okay, if you are in a combination to oily skin, right, we are super affected by all this haze. You know why? Because our dead cells, right, if you're oily, combination to oily skin, right, your dead cells grow, your dead cells you have more, and then you have more sebum production, right, as a result, because outer layer be dehydrated, so your sebum production will even be more, and then you'll find that you have more pimples, more blackheads, more clogged pores. Yeah, so that's why the reason, right, when it comes to even the haze situation, we are even much more affected. You will have more blackheads. I promise you this, right? So I'm going to teach you how to do this to unclog your pores. If you get clogged pores easily also, you will love this. Okay, so I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to use I already washed my face, and then also, right, if you can, right, combination to oily skin, try to use brush to wash your face. So in my previous video, I actually teach you how to use our new brush, which coming up next month. So if you want to order, just let me know if you're not served by any Mary Kay consultant. Alright, so basically, right, I already put my softener. This softener is very rich in vitamin E, antioxidant, and then also has lavender smell. It soothes you every night. If you actually want it, you can actually pour it into a spray bottle to give you that nice breathing mist, because this one has lavender mist, lavender accent inside, right? So it actually give you that relaxing feeling, and then on top of that, it has to firm up your skin, firm up your pores, do the lifting as well, and also soften your skin as well. So I'm going to show you. So I do this first. So after cleansing my face with my brush, right, and with my cleanser, I'm going to use this gel mask and my charcoal mask together. Right now, this two promotion, I'm having this promotion right now. If I'm not right, it's less than $80. And then, right, I'm going to teach you how to do it. Okay, basically, right, this renewing gel mask, right, has lots and lots of benefits. You also have to do firming, minimize pores, and then also, right, it helps to prevent pimples from popping. It has a bit of vitamin C inside. right? And then this one, right, is charcoal mask, right? It helps to draw out the impurities like blackheads, clogged pores, pimples. Those it also purify your skin. On top of that, right, it helps to carry out the blackheads and all the clogged pores very easily. So this is what you do. So basically, this is what I call detox method. So I put my charcoal mask, 2 drops, and then 1 drop of my gel mask. Just like that. Okay, and then I mix together. Okay, when you spray the softener on your face, right, make sure it's wet and then you apply it in. And then you massage it in when you're doing it because it helps to kill the germs and absorb the oil at the same time, and it gives a bit of gentle exfoliation. So if you feel a bit of tingling sensation, it's normal, means your skin is a bit dehydrated, yeah? So if not enough, you can put more. The reason why I put the softener first, right, so that it softens the skin and then easier to unclog all the pores that's clogged, like blackheads, all this. And then when you apply, it applies circular motion. So for this treatment, right, I do for about 15 minutes, slightly longer than normal, because I want all the impurities to be extracted out. Ta-da! So I'll see you in 15 minutes time. Bye! Okay, you can see like it slightly turns a bit whitish, right? It means that it's absorbing all the oil and all the impurities. So I'm going to wash it right now. I'll see you later. So I have already finished wiping off my mask. I'm drying my skin right now. So I just want to show it to you that the pores are cleaner and then no more blackheads. And you can see the laughing lines. So actually all of our products, right, has a bit of anti-aging benefits. So it helps to firm up the skin as well. And then look at the laughing lines are not so obvious anymore. So this is how I achieve youthful looking skin every now and then. So next, right, what I do is I'm going to use my softener again. I cannot live without my softener right now because, you know, I realized that when my pores were dehydrated, when I was having dehydrated skin, right, I have my pores like been like enlarged. Have you seen other girls, right, when they didn't take care of their pores, right, the pores become like this? Yeah, and because our skin, right, was since young the pores is like that, but after as we age, right, the pores will become oval shaped. So it means that it's dragging downwards, so it's not so healthy actually anymore. So you need to keep yourself hydrated. You need to drink a lot of water, especially with the haze season. You need to drink at least 3 liters of water. Okay, and then also for my height, 1.7, I need to drink at least 3 liters of water. But for those who are 1.7 and below, about 2.5 liters for now, because right now the haze is very, very bad. And make sure you drink a lot of water, not so much of those sugar water or coffee. Okay, so and then basically right now, right, I'm going to use my softener again to hydrate my skin. It's very, very crucial to use softener so that your skin is much more firmer and also much more hydrated, because when your skin is hydrated, right, the pores are smaller, okay, and not so visible anymore. So if you want to learn how to take care of your skin, how to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, how to minimize pores, how to do firming, right, and you look youthful all the time, right? I mean, we are women, right? We should look good, right? Okay, men also, yeah, men also, you need to look good, okay? Alright, so if you are thinking of taking care of your skin, learn how to take care of your skin, learn anti-aging, learn how to take care of your oily skin or pimple, or even if you have dry skin, you want to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, just let me know, yeah? So next, right, I'm going to use my facial massage head. This is my favorite. Oh. Okay. So I love to use this Sonic Skin Invigorate Sonic brush. Charge for about 2 hours, yeah, then you can use this. Then you just pop it in like this. Alright, so you can't see the vibration, actually it vibrates like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my softener again. Okay, Okay, and then I'm going to use my vitamin C. This is my favorite. This one helps to stimulate collagen production and helps to repair your skin and unclog your pores. I can't live without it. So first thing first. So the brush will massage head will massage for about 1 minute. You can do it like guasa like that. Guasa meaning lymphatic drainage massage for face. So for neck area, this is very good for neck also, vitamin C. It's very good for neck area. So to prevent fine lines and wrinkles on the neck area. I saw a lot of women, they have a lot of neck fats, right? So that's why they have a lot of lines. So need to take note of that. A lot of times when you have neck fats, right, it means you eat a lot of cholesterol as well. Oh, see, 1 minute is gone, so done for the vitamin C. So next one, I'm going to use my lifting serum. I can't wait to for the new lifting serum to come. So once it's here, I'll update you again. So lifting serum as well, upwards. So I'm so used to circular already, but you can, if you want, you can like this. So if you have laughing lines, you can do like this. So let it firm up the laughing lines. This is very good for fine lines also. And another one which is very good, which is the wrinkle filler. That one is very good to fill up the lines, and then you can push it in as well with the massage head. You can also put on your neck. So usually I use for about less than 1 minute. My most focus will be here and here. Oh, okay, it's done. So you see, when it's done, it will stop by itself. So it's very good, right? You save battery. Okay, good. So next, right, I'm gonna use my purifying serum. Okay, for my nose, because my nose, right? Oops. Okay, my nose, right? This is very good. It helps to control the oil. I used to have a lot of clogged pore here as well on my ear area. Because, right, if we fail to cleanse our makeup properly, right, then the makeup foundation will be on your ear area, and then as a result you clog ear. And then I use it here as well, so that it absorbs oil and control oil as well. And it also helps to purify the skin, and it also helps to prevent blackheads from forming and whiteheads from forming as well. So for combination to oily skin, you can focus your purifying serum, put it on the T-zone area. For me, I put it on my neck because my ear edge area here, because there's a lot of clogged pores. Because if I forgot to, sometimes I neglected this area as well, so it clogs pore easily here as well. Yeah, if you are interested to learn how to take care of your neck, right, you can go and see my last video on the neck wrinkle thingy. Okay, all right. So this is done. Okay, next, right. So today's skincare, I'm teaching you on how to take care of your skin, right? Especially for in the hazy days. So for combination to oily skin, so this is how you take care of your skin when you are in the hazy days, alright? And then it helps to repair fine lines, it helps to hydrate your skin, it helps to give you firming skin as well, and give you the V face shape. So if you want V face shape, right, you can use the day cream for this one, Timewise Repair. Okay? So for me, I want V shape. So and then very important is, okay, I use this one for my day eye cream. The repair one, I use it for at night. So this is my daily eye cream that I use right now. This one helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and then also dark circles. And then for you do like this. Ta-da! Just like that. Okay? Alright, so if you have any questions regards to our products and you want to try, please PM me for more information. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and then please share and subscribe my video to your friends, and then subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!